Stuck on a word puzzle, struggling to unscramble letters in your favorite word game? A2z Anagram Solver is here to save the day. A2z Anagram Solver is a powerful tool designed to help you solve word puzzles and excel in various word games. This fast and efficient word finder can unscramble letters, generate words, and provide solutions for a wide range of word-based challenges. Using A2z Anagram Solver is simple. Just enter the letters you have and hit the unscramble button. The tool will quickly generate a list of possible words sorted by length and alphabetically. It taps into an extensive dictionary to find high-scoring words hidden within your jumbled letters. Whether you're playing Scrabble, Words with Friends, Word Cookies, or tackling a daily crossword, A2z Anagram Solver has got you covered. It's not just a word unscrambler, it's a comprehensive word games cheat that can boost your performance across various word-based games. But A2z Anagram Solver offers more than just unscrambling. It also provides specialized word lists to enhance your word game skills. You can access lists of words with specific letters like Q or X, consonant and vowel words, and even two-letter words. These curated lists are perfect for finding those elusive, high-scoring plays that can turn the tide of any word game. From casual players looking for a little help with tricky letter combinations to competitive wordsmiths aiming to dominate every game, A2z Anagram Solver is the ultimate companion. It's more than just a tool. It's your secret weapon for word game success. So the next time you're faced with a challenging anagram or a crucial play in your favorite word game, remember A2z Anagram Solver. It's the fast, reliable, and comprehensive solution to all your word puzzle needs. With A2z Anagram Solver in your arsenal, you'll be solving puzzles and winning games like never before.